What's your name?
My name is Prasenjit Verma.
Prasenjit, how old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Married?
No.
You work outside of India?
No.
Okay, in India, where you work?
I am farmer in own house.
Okay, and what work you do in your farmhouse? How many cows there?
Giving bath, water.
Do you comb the cows?
Yes.
Yes. And do you give sometimes injection to the cows?
Yes.
Okay. And do you know how to give bath the cows?
Yes.
And you know how to hold the baby cow?
Baby. Yes.
Baby cow. You afraid to hold the baby cow or not afraid? Not afraid? Okay. And if you have to give the baby cow milk from the bottle like a baby, you can feed?
Yes.
No problem?
No problem.
Okay. And you are a strong person?
Yes.
Do you think?
Yes, I am a strong person.
Okay. How many kilo you can load, carry?
25 kilo.
25 kilo easily?
Easily.
Okay. If you have to walk 10 to 12 hours, can you work?
Yes.
No problem?
No problem.
Okay. Do you know which country you are going now?
Romania.
Romania. Okay. It's a Europe or Muslim country? Gulf country? Do you know it's a Europe, okay? It's Europe, not a Gulf country, okay? It's a very good country. You can go there and you will be safe there, okay?
Yes.
And you are medically fit?
Yes, I am medically fit.
No any medical problem. Okay. If you go to Romania, how many years you want to stay? 5
6
years? 5, 6 years? No problem.
No problem.
Okay. Did you talk to your family? Did they allow you to go?
Yes, allow my family.
Okay, no problem.
No problem.
Okay, thank you.